Hey everyone, welcome back to Fitness to Go. Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you really thought about your liver? Probably never, right? We think about our heart, our muscles, even our skin. But the liver quietly does over 500 jobs every single day. It filters your blood, breaks down toxins, stores vitamins, helps with digestion, and even balances your hormones. And here's the kicker. If your liver isn't working well, it shows up in sneaky ways. You might feel tired all the time, struggle with digestion, notice your skin breaking out, or even gain weight without clear reason. The good news is, your liver is incredibly smart. It knows how to heal and protect itself if you just give it the right fuel. So today, I'll share 7 simple foods that make your liver super happy. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find ingredients. They're everyday foods you can start eating right away. Stick around because the last one is probably already in your kitchen and it's way more powerful than most people realize. 1. Garlic, the liver's detox switch. Let's start with garlic. Garlic may be small, but it's like flipping on your liver's detox switch. It activates enzymes in your liver that help flush out toxins more effectively. On top of that, it's loaded with allicin and selenium, 2 compounds that work like natural cleansers. Think of it this way. Your liver is like a busy office with hundreds of tasks. Garlic steps in like a helpful assistant. It speeds up the cleanup process, making the whole system more efficient. The best way to get the benefits? Use fresh garlic. You can chop it into salads, cook it lightly in your meals, or even roast whole cloves. Just 1 or 2 cloves a day is enough. It's a tiny habit with a huge impact. 2. Leafy greens, nature's filter. Now onto leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, collard greens, these foods are full of chlorophyll, and chlorophyll acts almost like a natural filter. It binds to toxins, heavy metals, and even pesticide residues, pulling them out before they reach your liver. If your liver is the waste treatment plant of your body, leafy greens are like the pre-filter, catching dirt before it clogs up the system. And you don't have to eat a giant bowl of salad to see results. Add a handful of spinach to a smoothie, toss some kale into soup, or sauté mustard greens with olive oil and garlic. The trick is consistency. Just a small amount daily can lighten your liver's workload. 3. Grapefruit, fat-burning support. Next up is grapefruit, a real powerhouse for your liver. Grapefruit is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, but what really makes it special is a compound called naringenin. This helps your liver burn fat instead of storing it. Why is that important? One of the biggest liver problems today is fatty liver disease, which is basically when fat builds up inside the liver and slows down its function. Grapefruit helps reverse that process by encouraging your liver to use fat for energy. Half a grapefruit in the morning or as a snack is all you need. If you're not a fan of the sour taste, try adding grapefruit segments to a salad. Just one note, if you're on medication, check with your doctor first because grapefruit can interfere with certain drugs. 4. Beets and carrots, the cleansing duo. Beets and carrots are like a natural detox duo for your liver. Both are loaded with beta-carotene and flavonoids, which support the liver's ability to repair itself and remove waste. Beets in particular help increase oxygen flow in your blood and boost natural detox enzymes. Carrots, on the other hand, protect your liver cells from damage with their antioxidants. Together, they're like giving your liver a tune-up. You can roast them with a little olive oil, blend them into a smoothie, or even make a bright red juice. A simple carrot-beet salad with lemon juice is not only beautiful, but also incredibly powerful for your liver. 5. Green tea, gentle daily support. Let's move on to something to sip, green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, especially catechins, which help your liver function more smoothly and protect it from damage. It also reduces fat deposits in the liver, keeping it lean and efficient. Here's the key, choose fresh brewed green tea. The bottled versions are often loaded with sugar, which completely cancels out the benefits. 1 or 2 cups a day is plenty, and it doesn't just help your liver, it also boosts your metabolism and keeps you calm, which makes it a double win. 6. Avocados, the creamy protector. Now let's talk about avocados, the creamy fruit everyone loves. Besides being delicious, avocados are packed with glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps your liver filter harmful toxins. They also provide healthy fats that lower inflammation and support overall liver health. Think of glutathione as your liver's personal shield. Every time toxins come in, glutathione helps neutralize them before they can cause damage. You don't need a ton of avocado. Just half an avocado a few times a week is enough. Slice it onto toast, mash it into guacamole, or blend it into smoothies. Simple, tasty, and highly protective for your liver. 7. Citrus fruits, everyday hero. Finally, the food you probably already have at home. Lemons, limes, and oranges. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, and they help your liver produce more detox enzymes. These enzymes make it easier for your body to break down toxins and flush them out. One of the simplest things you can do is start your day with warm lemon water. It kickstarts your digestion, hydrates your body after sleep, and gives your liver an early boost. It's such a small habit, but over time, it makes a huge difference. Bonus, don't forget water. Before we wrap up, here's a simple bonus tip. Stay hydrated. Even if you eat all these amazing foods, your liver can't flush out toxins without enough water to carry them out. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day, and your liver will thank you. So let's recap. The 7 foods that make your liver super happy are garlic, leafy greens, grapefruit, beets and carrots, green tea, avocados, and citrus fruits. Add these into your routine, and you'll give your liver the love it truly deserves. Remember, your liver works nonstop for you every single day. Treat it right, and you'll notice more energy, better digestion, and even clearer skin. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Fitness To Go for more simple natural health tips. Thanks for watching, take care of your liver, and I'll see you in the next one.